Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Facebook Blueprint courses, full guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying Facebook Blueprint courses, first, access your Facebook Business Manager account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Education section in the sidebar menu. Select Blueprint from the drop-down options. Once on the Blueprint page, explore the available courses. Choose the course you wish to deploy. Click on the course title for more details. Review the syllabus and learning outcomes to ensure it meets your needs. Next, click on the Deploy button to start the deployment process. You will be prompted to select your audience. Define the target group for the course. Consider factors such as their experience level and specific interests. After selecting your audience, choose the deployment format. Facebook Blueprint offers various formats, including self-paced and instructor-led options. Select the format that best suits your audience's needs. Now, set the deployment schedule. Choose a start date and, if applicable, an end date for the course availability. After that, configure any prerequisites if required. This could involve ensuring participants complete specific tasks before course access. Once your settings are configured, review all information to ensure accuracy. Verify the course title, audience selection, and schedule details. When everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to finalize the deployment. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the course is now live. Monitor the course engagement through the analytics provided in your Business Manager. Regularly check participant progress and feedback to enhance future deployments. That's how to effectively deploy Facebook Blueprint courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.